it's time to go. Heaven in the dark light is all I really know. I've been counting countless hours that I spent alone. Need the company, I'm rolling with the freaks, yo. If you think you're out of place, well then follow me. Just keep it in your mind or heart and soul that nothing's free. Nothing's all the same, nothing's ever how it seems. So anything and everything they'll take, including dreams. Step into your mind, the time that flies high. They got you walking around in circles, looking left and right. Take a breath, tell yourself everything is fine. Before you know the underworld's what you abide by. Look, I've been walking down the wrong path, the right direction. Look into this knife in the eyes of my reflection. Keep them locked and loaded longer than you'd ever know. I'll be your new victim, no ifs, ands, or buts, or questions. I've been dying just to let you in. Consuming all my thoughts, I promise I've been listening. The whispering, heavy pounding, heart delivering. I'm past considering, there's no turning back now. Welcome to the dark side. Heaven in a dark light. I've been doing just fine. Keep it rolling, we're a freak show.
Round and around like a horse on a carousel. We go. Will I catch up to love? I can never tell. I know chasing after you is like a fairy tale, but I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel.
Let it go, let it swing open the door. Forget the consequences, drop them to the floor now. Nevermore, what you running for? I will never ever settle, never come down. I can never let it die. I feel this blood rush inside our minds. This need is feeding me in greed, envy, and lust and pride. So confident and terrified. We laugh, we cry. This flame of mine is digging deeper to the grave I trust. I never loved something so much, I can't get enough. This bliss confined got me wishing on some other stuff. Along with what's inside of me, I want your eyes to see. Every time I die, I find a different side of me. I'm so complete, I've always wanted you to notice me. So don't you leave, this is how the fuck it's supposed to be. So poetic, the best of stories never told. This energetic energy will strike direct to gold. So I'll unfold every single form of self-control. And if it's me you're speaking to, you can never know. With every soul to take, we will never back down. Yours is ours and there's no turning back now. Welcome to the dark side. Heaven in a dark light. I've been doing just fine. Keep it rolling, we're a freak show.
Round and round like a horse on a carousel. We go. Will I catch up to love? I can never tell. I know chasing